ఇదేనా ఎన్ఎండి అయితే
జనం నేరం దయచేసి कृपया चलती गाड़ी में न चढ़े। Board a running train. దయచేసి గుర్తుకు లేని వస్తువులను గమనించి రైల్వే సిబ్బందికి సమాచారం అందించండి. सेवा की सूचना रेल कर्मचारी को दी। And inform about unattended trips to railway employee or security staff on duty.
శీఘ్రమై కారు పెట్టరాదు మరియు ఎక్కరాదు. और ना छे Do not keep legs or climb on seats.
Briefcase, bag, thermos, మరియు ట్రాన్సిస్టర్ వంటివి కోరిన లాభాలు స్వస్థం చేసే briefcase, bag, thermos और ट्रांजिस्टर like briefcase, bag, thermos and transistor to be home.
Train routing to bypass route. Train routing towards Sanat Nagar bypass from Maulali cabin.
దయచేసి ఈ రైలు
That is the main line of Secunderabad Warangal. This is bypass route, and already there is some passenger train standing on coming from Malkajgiri side, and one train is going towards Secunderabad. This is the Mallapur Noma Takis. Let's see what is this passenger train coming from Kachigoda side.
దాదాపు శ్వాసపల్లి
This bypass serve for Kachigoda and Lingampalli. These are the empty rakes of the trains which are long distance trains which come from Secunderabad. Driver has given green flag. So it is Lucknow Yashwantpur Bidar Express.
Please help us to keep the train clean.
It is coming on the bypass route and it will go to Warangal using the bypass, and so it was like it was coming from Yashwantpur via Doon, Kachigoda, Malkajgiri and Cherlapalli. After Cherlapalli it will go to Warangal, Jhansi and so on. Reserved for goods trains and it was a single diesel line. So as part of MMTS phase 2, doubling and electrification works have been taken here. Now we are going through the Molali MMTS shed. Molali MU shed, like currently it is the only MU shed in Telangana. Like for MMTS or MEMU or demo trains of Telangana, this is the only shed. And also these sheds serve for some trains of Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra and Karnataka, that is the Bidar and Gulbarga trains. This is the only demo or MEMU train shed.
Please help us in security checking.
That is a local train shed, MU shed, Molali MU shed, famous Molali MU shed. This MMTS train which I am riding also comes from this shed only. There are some MU trains standing, you can see. Here something, okay, here they are constructing the Molali Housing Board railway station. At this location it is, the works are very good. Oh, nice station. This is still not ready. They should have at least constructed a station at Malapur instead of Molali. This is very remote station. People can't use it. I don't know from where we have access or entry. There are 2 platforms and 1 FOB. There is no entry point to this station if you see. This is between the 2 companies. One is the Molali loco shed and one is Eveready battery plant. So I don't know how can public come into the station. Instead, if they constructed station at Mallapur, it was very nice. Mallapur has connectivity for buses. As you see, this train is curving out of the Molali MU shed. Now there is a junction point. It is named as Molali C or G cabin. From here, these 2 double lines. One line goes to Kachiguda and one line goes to Lingampalli. One line goes to Malkajgiri, Lalaguda and Kachiguda. One line goes to Sanatnagar, Lingampalli. This is the Lalapet railway bridge. This railway bridge, what it does, it bypasses the Molali loco shed. It goes above the loco shed. What a beautiful train. It is a total C section. This road comes from ECL Maulali and goes to Lalapet, Tarnaka. We have a metro station at Tarnaka. Here we have Indian Railways Finance Corporation. This is Indian Railways Finance Corporation building. It is some sort of college. Yeah, as you see, we have come to the junction point and our line is bifurcating. From here one line goes to Kachiguda, Lalaguda, Malkajgiri. The left side line goes to Kachiguda and Malkajgiri, and the right side line which I am on, it goes to Lingampalli. The The left side line is very slow line actually. It has a 10 kmph speed only. Trains crawl on this section. Yeah, that is the line which went to Lalagoda and Malkajgiri.
Garden
We are on the Limpalli side. That is Maratpalli Hills. You can see in the background Maratpalli Hills. This line has been started, but there is like a very poor planning. There are at least 3 stations missing. One is Mallapur, one is Anand Bagh, which should have been here. Here we needed a very big railway station because it has many residential area as you see. But there is no station for Anand Bagh. There is no station for Mallapur, and there is no station for Yamnampet or Rampalli near Gatkasir. Pretty much old railway stations are continued. This is Anand Bagh area, like it is a very residential area. As you see, this is the left side, track on my right side. It is a newly laid track. It is a new and pristine. I think it was inaugurated in January 2024, and in February or March 2024 the local trains are started running. That is the Anand Bagh RUB.
Garden में गंदगी line.
My train is going towards Neridmet. As you see, after Chellapalli we didn't face any big station. One was a housing board colony, but it was also like a small inside the Molali like MO shed. So I don't know like how people will come or access this.
Please do not throw garbage in the coach.
That is a Molali hill. That is a giant Molali hill. We have for that the ultramost left is a Molali hill, and the two are the ZRTI, the Railway Training Institute. The Railway Training Institute is located on that hill only. And as you see, this track was laid in the modern time, so they had kept the height so much high from the road so that they can lay RUBs for the colony people. It is a pretty much elevated track only, this Molali Sanatnagar bypass track. It is pretty much by elevated track only. As you see, everywhere there are RUBs only. And the Sanatna Linga Chellapalli Malkajgiri bypass also elevated only. Hyderabad is lucky to have this bypass because trains can bypass the Secunderabad railway station. Goods trains go through this route. We'll see like whether we'll face any goods train or like any crossing will happen. Today actually this is an inaugural service. It is flagged off by PM Narendra Modi from Sangareddy. And I boarded this special train which is coming from Gatkasir and going towards Lingampalli. I boarded this train at Chellapalli railway station. As you see, we are approaching a new station. It is Neridmet railway station. Before that, I think it is a Vinayak Nagar colony, Vinayak Nagar RTC colony. I am pretty disappointed there is no stop here also. Like here there must be a RUB. There is huge traffic. It is common near Molali area that we see many hills or mountains. This is a small hill. There are houses on that hill also. Kids are enjoying the train view. Bharat Mata ki jai bolo. Again I am facing one more hill. This is some residential area. See, one more RUB is there here. Today, as the it was the inaugural run. This train was delayed by 20 minutes. We'll see like daily how it runs. There is only one service, single service from Gatkase to Lingampalli. There is no service between Gatkase to Secunderabad, and also between Gatkase to Lingampalli there is only one service. It is very tough for us, for Chelapalli side people. Only one service is given. There is a cow standing on the railway track. Again, here is a level crossing. People are taking pics, and there is a huge traffic. As I said, we have approached Neredmet railway station. This is a new railway station. It is constructed as part of MMTS phase 2. There is again one more level crossing. This level crossing is a bigger one. It's at the Safilguda ECL highway. It is a big highway, but there is level crossing. There must be an flyover. There is a goods train approaching. We will capture the crossing shot. And I am moving to a safer distance. There is a huge traffic on the highway, as you see. Angul Wrap 7. And it's as you see, there is some VIP movement at the Neredmet railway station. There is a nice crowd here at the Neredmet railway station. Their kids have boarded for taking pics. Train is given pretty good halt for the VIP movement. There is a celebration actually for Neredmet people, and it must be a celebration also because Neredmet it is not connected by any rail or even bus is very poor for Neredmet. This area is very remote. Now MMTS is only a solution for them. This is an other platform of the Neredmet. From Neredmet we have RK Puram as the nearest railway station on the Bularam railway line, and colonies are Neredmet, RK Puram. Nice huge crowd has welcomed this train here. Rail enthusiasts are taking pictures. There is nice security bandobas also. Yeah, we are carving out of the Neredmet railway station. Nice huge crowd again. They are welcoming the MMTS train. As you see the Neredmet railway station board. Also railway has a huge land here, Neredmet. When they were planning the railway line, bypass line, at that time only railway had a huge land, though there was no land problem for railway. And that is some lake. Not sure what is that lake. Yeah, we approach the RK Puram railway station. From here I daily go via bus. So this is the RK Puram railway station. Today actually I left my office bus and travelled via MMTS for the capturing the inaugural run. Almost all the train is empty, but there is some people in my coach. So that is the RK Puram flyover, and there, behind that flyover there is a station for RK Puram on the Bularam line, Secunderabad Bularam line. Secunderabad Bularam line almost runs parallelly to this line between Molali and RK Puram and Ammuguda. I think the next station will be the Ammuguda. As you see, there is a Ammuguda hill. About on that hill we have the Ammuguda Dargah. So it is carving out. As you see, there is a pretty good land for railway here. More land is available. Many long distance trains will be running on this road once the Chelapalli terminal will be created. There is an amber signal given to us, and it when the train crossed it became red. This is Ammuguda something. Bridge number 39 Ammuguda. This is the Ammuguda main line. Secunderabad, Bularam, Nizamabad main line. And we are crossing about the main line. Secunderabad, Bularam main line. On this may see, this is the Secunderabad, Bularam main line. There must be like a bypass to connect the main line also. Like trains coming from Nizamabad can go to Lingampalli. See, you can see the yellow boards. This RUB. This is the Ammuguda railway station. It is the old Ammuguda railway station on the Secunderabad Bularam main line, and our train is on the bypass line. So as you see, there is a for this Ammuguda, it is a crossing station. There are 3 tracks. Earlier also Ammuguda had a crossing line, 2 tracks. There was no station at Ammuguda. Actually there were no stations between Chelapalli to Sanat Nagar. But only at Ammuguda there were crossing tracks so that the goods trains can at least cross the line. So it was pretty much something surprising. Without the passenger railway station, it was a crossing station here. Only goods used to cross each other. And I am expecting some movement at Ammuguda also. There is nice crowd at Ammuguda, and one is RF Ashok, Belur Ashok also takes huge pictures of Ammuguda line. I think I might see him today. So this is the Ammuguda railway station located between the Ammuguda hills. As you see, there is a mountain. Also beside this is located between the Molali hill and the Ammuguda hill. So this is also a pretty much remote station. People won't access it. Only accessible station is like Neridmet only. Neridmet and Chelapalli. And I think Bhudevi Nagar also will be an accessible station. So this is a RUB at the Ammuguda station. And it is located in between the hills or thick forest only. So I don't know like how many people can use it. Housing board station is also located in between the forest, and Ammuguda is also located in forest. Timing it is showing us 12:01. I am not sure how much late this train is running. It has given a pretty good halt at here. There was a good security given also for railway station because VIP movement was there. This train would have gone faster now, it would have been good. Actually, I am going facing late to my office. Horn is given now.
దయచేసి రైలు మద్యపానం చేయకండి.
This is a new wreck actually. It has cameras and all security features also, as you see. Still some works are going in on the Ammuguda railway station. This station was constructed earlier only, like 3 years ago only it was constructed, but it was laying idle and almost people has broken this station. Almost anti-social elements have broken this station. Like as it said, Ammuguda was a crossing station earlier also for goods trains. This is the old Ammuguda crossing cabin. There was no passenger train, but it was a crossing station without platform. There were 2 lines for crossing. Ammuguda,
Please do not presume. Literally the train.
Ammuguda BG. Yeah, it is saying Ammuguda BG bypass line because earlier the Sikindra Nizamabad bypass line, it was a meter gauge, and this goods line, it was a broad gauge. Later the meter gauge line got converted to broad gauge. So now the whole Hyderabad train network is a broad gauge network only. Still the Secunderabad Bularam line is moving parallelly. It is behind those trees, as you can see, catenary wires. Now next station I think it is Bhudevi Nagar, and for the Bhudevi Nagar the nearest station on Secunderabad Bularam main line is Alwal, but on the bypass line it is a Bhudevi Nagar. It is named as Bhudevi Nagar. There is some track movement going on. Track movement, even track workers are very much excited for the train. They are taking the videos. This is a Secunderabad Cantonment Board. Here only there was a land struggles which railway was facing. Because of it, the project was delayed a lot of time. They have decorated this train with flowers also. Somebody is taking camera. I think it is Ashok only. There is some automatic signaling also. I am not sure, I am seeing it first time. There is no movement here. The track is very far from the public area. There are trees crossing the train. I think it is the first time train is running, or no, but it is an old track only, but trees are crossing the train. Again there is an RUB. Which RUB is it? It is a Lotkunta RUB. It is a Secunderabad Karimnagar highway. It is a big highway and it is a small RUB. Again here also we faced traffic problems. It is the Secunderabad Karimnagar highway. Now train has gained speed. I think it will halt at Bhudevi Nagar now. I can see the Bhudevi Nagar starting, Bhudevi Nagar station starting. This is Alwal Lotkunta area. There is a huge summer for Hyderabad. The summer has started and the temperatures are scorching high. It is around 40-45 now only during March. I don't know how much it will go for April. So I had to risk in this bare sunlight to capture the inaugural run. Now again there is an RUB. I am seeing again RUB and some school, Mahabodhi Vidyalaya. And we have and we are at the railway. As you see, we are entering the Bhudevi Nagar railway station. I think this one is also in the public area. So public will be very much benefited with this station. And I think this was for this colony also there is no good connectivity. There is no train transport or even bus transport. So these people will enjoy this station. And the timing it is showing at 12:07. and the public crowd has gathered at the other platform to notice the railway line. And I'm expecting again VIP movement at this station also. Let's see at the other side. Yeah, there is a good crowd at this station also. Train is slowly approaching the main platform. There are canopies and foot over bridges laid. There is a huge crowd, but I boarded the less crowd platform coach.
Board in running train.
Cops are whistling just to people to warn them that tracks are very near. Don't stand very near to the tracks. Always follow the safety. Even I am at the safe distance while I am recording the video. And this train is very slow today, but when it is fast, don't risk your life.
దయచేసి గుర్తుపడిన వస్తువులను గమనించి రైల్వే సిబ్బందికి సమాచారం అందించండి.
It is very near to the main road, main road. So now the next station will be the Suchitra. And Suchitra is like on the Secunderabad-Nagpur highway, which is a very big highway. Secunderabad-Nagpur highway or the Kashmir to Kanyakumari highway. So this station is also very much beneficial for people like IT employees, college students, Mallareddy college students will be able to use this station, Suchitra railway station. Like Suchitra railway station, it is placed inside the ghats. We will be seeing the railway station. I am like pretty confused like whether to capture from the left side or right side. I will move to the right side because at least we can see the track. There is a level crossing and huge traffic has occurred here. There are pretty much many level crossings. Despite this line is elevated, we have many level crossings. The train is curved now. It is like delightful to see the curve. Again, after laying 2 tracks also, there is a huge land for 2 tracks again. So 4 tracks can also be laid, but there is no use of 4 tracks on this bypass line. This is a military area, cantonment area, so almost like all lands will be empty only. Again there is an RUB and there is a huge traffic here also. Like these people will suffer a lot, I think so. Some cabin. The traffic was at least 1 kilometer long. Now I am at the Suchitra railway station. See, as I said, Suchitra is a ghat section. Pretty much ghat look it is giving. The train is at least hidden inside a cave only. So after Bhudevi Nagar, Suchitra distance is very good, pretty much good, because anyways there are no public colonies, all is forest area only. Now we are facing the Secunderabad to Nagpur highway, Kashmir to Kanyakumari highway, and this train goes below the highway. We'll see like. And like today Prime Minister has inaugurated some highway programs also, Kashmir Kanyakumari highway widening and Pune Secunderabad highway widening program. So I think the right side track is the newly laid track, the left side is the old track. still, as I said, there is a huge land available for development.
And transistor to near home.
You see the boundary wall, it is so far. Again, automatic signal blocks. Yeah, we have faced the Suchitra Highway or the Kashmir Kanyakumari Highway.
దయచేసి ఈ రైలు పరిశుభ్రంగా ఉంచడంలో సహకరించండి.
That was the Kashmir Kanyakumari Highway. It goes by Boinpalli, Medchal in the Hyderabad area. Boinpalli, Medchal, Sanat Nagar, Amirpet. Oh, it is again curving. The train is again curving. I think the Suchitra railway station, it is almost far from the Suchitra circle. I think it is very much accessible from the Boinpalli X roads. So it should have at least Boinpalli X roads, I think so. But they named it at Suchitra circle. We'll see what people will do. Again, automatic signal box are coming.
ఈ ట్రైన్ సుచిత్ర స్టేషన్ చేరుకుంది.
So on the left side we have the highway. I'll try to show the highway also, Kashmir Kanyakumari highway. This is like Suchitra railway station. So the land was borrowed from cantonment board. So Suchitra Center railway station name.
This is
It might be some
Suchitra
military training
Station.
center, Suchitra meaning. The train is 12 coach train, but almost it is touching every platform is outside the railway station only.
స్టేషన్ చేరుకుంది.
My coach almost every time it is at the last part only. So this were the old catenary wires. The left side line is old line, right side line is new line.
సుచిత్ర స్టేషన్ है.
So Suchitra railway station also has canopies and RUBs or foot over bridges. That is the Secunderabad Nagpur highway.
Suchitra
I think you can't see because there are many trees. It has pretty good traffic on that. Also flyover is being constructed on the Secunderabad Nagpur highway.
దయచేసి భద్రతా తనిఖీలు మాకు సహాయం చేయండి.
There is a huge crowd at Suchitra also, but it is far from my platform.
सुरक्षा जांच में कृपया सहयोग करें.
So there is a huge crowd. They have welcomed the train, and the train is given signal. Let's capture that crowd. We have given me green signal, I can see, but I can't capture in camera because it is very far. I should have captured this highway, but there are huge trees.
Please help us in security checking.
Anyone coming from like Boinpalli or on the highway, they can easily access this railway station. If they want to go to Cherlapalli, Sanat Nagar or Lingampalli, even they can, if you want to go to Medchal, you can change the train as Damugoda. So this station is very much important station because it is behind the highway only, Medchal highway.
సీట్లపై కాళ్ళు పెట్టడాలు మరియు ఎక్కడాలు.
Very soon we will be seeing the inauguration of Cherlapalli railway terminal also, and I am expecting more trains when the Cherlapalli railway station will get inaugurated. So at least some 5 or 10 MMTS services to Secunderabad and 2-3 MMTS services to Lingampalli I am expecting. See, there is a pillar or pier raised for
సీటు
flyover.
పదార్థాలకి ఉన్న చెవి.
Sorry for my voice, but I for the safety sake, I'm not wearing any earphones or anything. I just I didn't plan very much about the capturing of this train. I came to know today is the inaugural, so I didn't even took leave to my office. I just came to the railway station and captured the video via mobile. So there is a hoarding which is about
Do not
the
keep legs
MMTS
old
program,
plant on seats.
doubling an MMTS program. And this is a station building and canopy. It's a good state. Here is the crowd. Here is the crowd. Yeah, now you can see the highway, Secunderabad Nagpur highway, Kashmir to Kanyakumari highway. Long distance buses are going, the travel buses and long distance buses are crossing from here. See, there is a pillar caps also raised for that. This is a flyover being actually there is a non-stop flyover from Boinpalli to Medchal on the Secunderabad Kanyakumari highway. This is the Kanyakumari highway. We are racing almost with travels buses or long distance buses. It was a spectacular scene. That is the highway, this is the railway line. Now this train is going to Ferozgura. Ferozgura, it is located between a very good steel factory area and beside a BHEL company. Beside BHEL company, Ferozgura station is there. That is something, some area. Again RUB. I think this is a new RUB. On this line you will see only RUBs only. Except at Suchitra, everywhere you will see RUBs only. At Suchitra you will see flyover. At least 5 or 10 places we need to construct more RUBs because with level crossings it will be very difficult to run trains. Again, this is a remote area, cantonment area, so there are no houses, only forest is there. Ferozgura is also a very much important station. It is located on the Secunderabad to Patancheru and Patancheru to Mumbai highway. Secunderabad, Patancheru, Pune, Mumbai highway. So Ferozgura will also have a huge crowd of people, from the Kukatpalli side people and many there are many call lines for Ferozgura. I'll try to capture the highway also at the Ferozgura railway station, and I am expecting a good crowd at Ferozgura railway station also. This is a forest area only again. Actually, when this local train services will not run, this area was very danger area. So cops will patrol very frequently here because it is a dense forest, as you see. Here on the left side, it is a BEL company, Bharat Electronics Limited, not BHEL. BHEL is Lingampatti. This is a BEL company. Again, train is curving. They constructed a new RUB for military purpose here.
Station చేరుకుంది.
Parking 500 rupees fine. As I said, it is a private road. They have put this gate also. Kulbag colony it seems. There are cows here. Almost this line was occupied by cow sheds only. There is again here a cow is there.
This is
Milk vendors will raise their cows on this line.
station.
I'm not sure what they will do now. And it approaches the Ferozgura railway station. This station is on the highway. First we'll see the station and we'll see the highway.
Station చేరుకుంది.
Last year I missed the capturing of the Secunderabad Medchal line. because it was during a peak summer.
Here, Firozpura station है.
So nice huge plot is there. Caution. High voltage warnings are given. Anyways, people won't come in this area. This is a Firozpura Boinpalli colony.
Station.
Huge public is there. And the inaugural crowd here, where is less crowd is there. We feed a crowd at Merid Med, Bhudevi Guda and Suchitra also. Here there is very less crowd. 12:25 timing. Firozpura railway station. Loco pilot is also seeing. Today I witnessed a very surprising moment. Almost railway staff and loco pilot, TT traveling ticket conductor and all people are capturing the videos. Here also railway officials are capturing the video. Very much it was a great moment. With this MMTS network in Hyderabad is very much improved. Like we have almost MMTS for all corners of the city. On the north we have Medchal, Bolaram, Manoharabad MMTS. Manoharabad is diesel line, but soon we'll see their MMTS also. And on the west side we have MMTS up to Ramchandrapuram and Patancheru also is been under construction. And on the south side we have Falaknuma, Umdanagar. On the eastern side we have Chellapalli, Gatkasar. So almost all corners of the city are connected with the MMTS now. We need a MMTS for Shamshabad Airport, and also we need a MMTS for Patancheru railway station, and also we need MMTS for Manoharabad. Earlier we had local trains for Manoharabad, but the local train now, like MMTS is short terminated at Medchal only. This is the Secunderabad Pune highway. It is a very big highway, but RUB is very small. That is BEL company, BHEL only. It is BHEL company, and that as you see the highway, the trucks are going on the highway. So now almost this bypass is complete now. We have reached the Sanatnagar railway station. So this bypass was for between Chellapalli to Sanatnagar. As you see, I have travelled between Chellapalli to Sanatnagar, and this is the Sanatnagar area. It has a mixed population of people and also companies. Only steel companies are present in the Sanatnagar. What they do, they import the steel from the goods trains and they sell in these companies. As you see, this all are companies only. So the goods they made a good use of the goods terminal. I think we don't have a halt at Sanatnagar. This is a surprising fact of Hyderabad. During first phase of MMTS also, no MMTS train stops at Sanatnagar. Train stop at Bharatnagar and Fatehnagar, not at Sanatnagar. Even my Chellapalli local train is also not stopping at Sanatnagar. So people here also people always did many protests to stop the train at Sanatnagar, but railway department didn't stop because they said that it is located in between many industries. No public will board it. So this is some RUB for the Fatehnagar people, local RUB. Here also we have a huge traffic on this RUB. That is SVS function hall. There is a flyover, see, on the Pune highway. That flyover, Vimal Takis, Vimal Junction, it is a famous area. Vimal Theatre, if you search, it is on the flyover of Secunderabad Pune highway. Once again we have seen an RUB here. This RUB is on the gully, almost building, so it is located beside the building. RUB on the gully. Again, there is one Nala. This Nala took a huge time to construct. I was following these updates regularly. This was a big river actually. This Nala connects the Hussain Sagar Lake. This is a main source of pollution for Hussain Sagar Lake. So this Nala is big Nala, so it took many days to construct. Like we are going on the Nala bridge. I feel many polluting smell also on the Nala.
Please stop.
See, this is a Nala and that is a flyover on the Secunderabad Pune highway. Cars are going on the flyover. Pretty good. As I said, see, like there are steel factories below this bridge also. All the steel scrap has been recycled here, and there is a RUB also beside Nala. You can see the flyover on the Pune highway. Hyderabad has seen many flyovers in the recent times. You can follow the many pages of Hyderabad, like how many flyovers are being constructed, etc. They are laying two catenary wires to balance actually. Like earlier one was at the in between the tracks, so they are laying the catenary wire at the left side. I seen this phenomena on this bypass line. Like earlier catenary wires were in between, so they are moving the catenary wires to the left side. There is a steel factory. Nice work is going on in the steel factory. Again one more Nala has come. This is a very good industrial area, Sanat Nagar industrial area. It is a pre-independence industrial area of Hyderabad.
Please do not consume liquor in the train.
Sanat means like a factory only. Sanat Nagar, factory, it means factory Nagar. So the train is curving out into the Secunderabad, Lingampalli, Wadi, Mumbai main line. So we are moving into the Mumbai main line. So they are constructing some like loop lines also for the goods trains to stop. See, there are cranes for the goods trains. Like these cranes, what they do, they will deboard the steel luggage. Sanat Nagar old cabin. This is a Sanat Nagar old cabin. This is a Sanat Nagar new cabin. And the two tracks are for Secunderabad Lingampalli main line. Secunderabad Lingampalli and Secunderabad Mumbai main line. We should have at least quadruple the Secunderabad Lingampalli main line, but now it is impossible. As you see, there are two tracks, and there are many companies occupied this area. Again, railway staff capturing the video. This is something surprising, and I am very much happy also. Earlier, there was very discouragement for rail fans. They didn't used to allow us phones also on the tracks, but now railway officials only are capturing the videos. Now I'll show you the Sanat
Please
Nagar.
contact railway staff on duty for any
There is no official halt at Sanat Nagar. Also, they don't stop at Sanat Nagar also. The train almost speeds up to avoid people boarding. See that steel luggage, as I mentioned earlier. They use this steel luggage at the companies behind this only. There are steel companies and medical companies in Sanat Nagar. If you see my logo, if you see my profile pic also, this is the logo which I captured from the Sanat Nagar yard. Tiger face wrap.
This is
If you come to Sanat Nagar, you will find many loco pictures. The container train also is present. There is a container terminal also, which I will show you now. First one, this is a steel yard, Sanat Nagar steel yard. We will have a container yard at ahead. On the left side, we have FCI company and petrol companies. I think we had petrol companies at Sanat Nagar earlier, which they moved it to Challapalli later, Loco Pilot. WAG7. I don't know like which shed it is. It is. I can't see the shed name. Bharti Rail. This is WDG4D Kalyan. So this come from Mumbai. Earlier also this line was diesel line only. Now the Secunderabad Mumbai line is electrified. Still they are running goods on diesel only, I think. There is a goods train standing on the other side of the track. Sanat Nagar, Fateh Nagar, Hafizpet, all these stations can be made into terminals. There is a huge railway line and also the stations are in the public area. So this again I will show you. Now we will see the Nampalli to Mumbai highway. Nampalli means like it is a Hyderabad station. It is the center of the city. So Nampalli Mumbai highway we will see. And also the metro rail also you can see now. Amirpet to Kukatpalli metro rail you can see now. Military coaches. And the FCI and petroleum yards. Okay, now I'll show you the highway and the metro rail line. You can see some loco is going on. There will be a good movement of locos at Sanat Nagar. If you are diesel fan, you can find. If you are electric fan, you can find. I am an electric fan. Yeah. See Sanat Nagar cabin. This is a highway, and beside that there is a metro rail line. You can see the catenary wires. If we get crossed the metro rail line, we'll be lucky. We'll see. We have faced Fateh Nagar railway station, and I think people won't be excited here because anyways they have the railway line here, Bharat Nagar railway station. These people already have MMTS already. Only we people didn't have Chellapalli side people. Still there are some rail fans here, I think. Bharat Nagar.
Destination.
This is a regular crowd. They want to go to Lingampalli. This is a regular crowd. They are pretty much amazed also. Like why is it train decorated?
Do not keep legs or plant on seats.
Bharatnagar station has a huge crowd on two sides. One is Lingampalli and Secunderabad side. You won't see this kind of crowd at railway stations. MMTS. (12:37). Almost this train will be late, I think so. When I see the schedule, it was 12:40 at Lingampalli, but still we are at 12:37. Bharat Nagar loco, diesel loco was standing on the other side. We can construct like a terminal for passenger trains at Bharat Nagar or at least Hafizpet or Borabanda. I'll capture the new Hafizpet station and container shed now. That line beside our right side, there is a double line. It is going to container shed. So almost if you see any Telugu movie, the fight takes place in this container shed only.
You are under
See, this is a container shed of Sanat Nagar. Container corporation shed. The train will speed up here actually. You can see 100, 120 speeds at this section. You can see there is far like 500 meters ago also there are containers placed. There will be at least 20 lines I think so for containers.
that is a peak Kukatpalli buildings, KPHB buildings. We will see now Borabanda railway station.
Station पर
When MMTS was laid in 2002, Borabanda was almost a village. Nobody was there. I witnessed everything. I remember. There were no homes here actually. And in KPHB colony also there were no homes. These homes are constructed in last 5 years only. That is the high-tech city buildings, skyscrapers. As I said, there is a huge land at Borabanda also. We can construct a terminal here. Trains Borabanda is a good residential area, and trains go at heavy speed here, 100, 120, and many people get injured here. Some train is crossing my train. I'll move to a safe distance. It may be a Mumbai-bound train. See the board. I think it is coming from Mumbai area. We have given the signal. Actually, we don't see halt at this section because it is a busy section. Goods, mainline trains and local trains will be running here.
Please do not consume liquor in the train.
Do you see that building? Railway land is till that building. That blue color of buildings. And here also there is at least for a long distance there is a railway line. Railway land is up to the buildings and the shed. Water tank is there, no? So easily 2 or 4 tracks can come. See, the railway land is very much. Nice buildings. My coach was almost empty from Chellapalli. Now this coach is become occupied. This is high-tech city dump yard and graveyard. That is a high-tech city flyover, and it is a very traffic area. Almost like it will take 15 to 20 minutes to cross this flyover only. There will be a huge traffic on this flyover. No, this is not high-tech city flyover. This is a new flyover, Allabanda flyover. Kaitalapur flyover. It is Kaitalapur. Because it is a first run, it is moving very slow this train actually. Or else here it will be 120 speed. The dump yards and electrical substations. again it is curving into the ghat section. We have a ghat section at High-Tech City also. Ghat means not like the Mumbai Ghats, it is a small ghat section. Now you can see the High-Tech City station. This flyover I was mentioning, it is like a hill of traffic on this flyover. If you get stuck on this flyover, it is a very big problem. High-Tech City. They have like this platform was not this long. They made it to like cater long distance trains. Like from AP to Lingampalli, there are few trains which they are thinking to halt. So they extended this platform. Earlier platform was up to this signal only. That is the reason signal is in between the platform. Now it is extended for more 5 or 10 coaches. Like picking. High-Tech City is something surprising. One platform is above the ground level, one platform is below. As you see, one platform is at like half of the length of below the platform. There is a new station building at High-Tech City. I'll show you now.
कृपया अपने आसपास के लावारिस सामान की सूचना
It is a very nearest station to the IT companies. High-Tech City, like all the IT companies will be in this area only. For that reason, they named is Hyderabad IT Tech City. It is not High-Tech, it is Hyderabad IT Tech City. See, all the IT company buses are present. Made around in 2002 when CBN was the chief minister. We Hyderabadis are very lucky to have MNTS. On RUB, the High-Tech City area. In High-Tech City also we have a huge land to construct a quadruple line. Now we are approaching Hafizpet. I'll move to the other side. There is a new station building being constructed at Hafizpet.
सीटों पर तार ना रखें।
These 4 lines can be constructed here, but railway is very hesitating.
Do not keep legs or plant.
Like MMTS trains are very much delayed because of the only 2 lines. We need more 2 lines here. Hafizpet station area. New highway constructed between High-Tech City to Hafizpet.
briefcase, bag, thermos మరియు ట్రాన్సిస్టర్ వంటివి
Hafizpet is a crossing station. Earlier it was a goods station, now it is a crossing station. There are only 2 platforms, but it has more 2 or 3 extra lines for goods. So almost all empty rakes will be parked at Hafizpet station. Already there is a goods train standing as Hafizpet. So we can't capture the new station building.
like briefcase, bag, thermos and transistor to be a bomb.
IT employees will also go from Hafizpet also. That is a Genpact company, the big building you are seeing. It is High-Tech City Genpact.
Hafizpet station చేరుకుంది.
Not sure where they are constructing the new building, on the left or the right. I think it is on the left only again. We earlier had a building at left only.
Station है.
They are laying a new canopy. On the right there is a platform extension.
This is Hafizpet station. E-train
There is announcement that it is a Gatkaset train.
station చేరుకుంది.
There is a new station building behind this. There is a steel railing. They are constructing it with a steel railing. If they had laid more platforms, it would have been good.
Station है.
Goods crossing.
This is Hafizpet station.
Signal is given.
దయచేసి ఈ రైలు రెండు సహకరించండి.
So the ticket for me between Cherlapalli to Lingampalli is 10 rupees, and after from Lingampalli I have to catch an auto or bus. It will be a 20 rupees. So 30 rupees, and also between my home to Cherlapalli railway station it is 20 rupees. So it is a 50 rupees. So for me still metro is cheaper. Metro or RTC bus is cheaper. I can't spend 50 rupees and travel this long.
లింగంపల్లి వరకు వెళ్ళి ఈ ట్రైన్ యొక్క
Station building. Old station building was also fine. They should have laid more platform, but they are constructing station building. They are
లింగంపల్లి को जाने वाली इस ट्रेन का अगला
this
स्टेशन
is Hafizpet flyover,
లింగంపల్లి.
and that is Genpact company.
Destination లింగంపల్లి. Next station లింగంపల్లి. లింగంపల్లి వరకు వెళ్ళే ఈ ట్రైన్ యొక్క తదుపరి స్టాప్ లింగంపల్లి.
Now I think we have Chandanagar railway station.
लिंगंपल्ली को जाने वाली इस ट्रेन का अगला स्टेशन लिंगंपल्ली. Destination లింగంపల్లి. Next station లింగంపల్లి.
Now next station is Chandanagar, but they are telling us Lingampalli. It is a mistake, or maybe this train don't halt at Chandanagar. Nice car and huge speed. One day I'll make a trip video for Secunderabad Ramachandrapuram line and Medchal line. That is My Home Constructions, not my home, it is a My Home. Company name is My Home. It is like a first like a major skyscraper in Hyderabad. Earlier we didn't have this many skyscrapers. Color is faded, it was a red color building. There is a huge distance between Hafiz Pet and Chandanagar.
Please take us in security checking.
Chandanagar. Yeah, we are at Chandanagar and there is a goods crossing. I am moving for a safe distance. Now this train will become a bullock cart at Chandanagar. They won't move it to Lingampalli. At least 10-15 minutes it will stop at here. If I am lucky it will go fast. Already I am late to my office. Please move it.
Do not keep legs or plant on seats.
So next station is Lingampalli. Before that it will stand at outers only. If we are lucky we'll go very fast. We'll see. Earlier Lingampalli was a small station. Later it became a MMTS terminal. And later they have extended the AP bond train trains to Lingampalli. I don't know how negligent SCR is. They didn't construct a new platform but they occupied a terminal which was meant for MMTS trains only. So now MMTS fans don't have any option. They have degraded the MMTS trains and given priority to long distance trains. This is there is a huge line before MMTS station.
Please do not carry inflamables in the train.
Already I am late by 20 minutes, 20 or 30 minutes.
దయచేసి రైలులో సభ ప్రారంభం
There is a saying in Hyderabad that if you trust MMTS, you will be betrayed. Like if there is a connecting train or a connecting flight, you will be miss that thing. It will delayed by 30 or 1 hour, whatever they need. There is no correct timetable for MMTS.
కృపయా
This is an inaugural run. it is okay, but if it is a daily case, it is problem. I can see platform. I'm at the outers. If they don't stop at outers, it will be nice. I have to capture the picture also of the route map. I'll edit it with this video.
ఈ ట్రైన్ లింగంపల్లి స్టేషన్ చేరుకుంది. ఇదే ఈ రూట్లోని చివరి స్టేషన్. ప్రయాణికులు దయచేసి ఈ ట్రైన్ నుంచి దిగవలసిందిగా
They
మనవి.
are announcing that it is the last station. We needed MMTS up to RCpuram or Patancheru. That section is laying idle, RCpuram section. Yeah, we are moving to the leftmost station, that is platform number 1. And on the other two platforms, we have goods trains.
Here, లింగంపల్లి
And
స్టేషన్.
I'm lucky that they did stop here.
Here is route का आखिरी स्टेशन है.
This is a RUB beside Lingampalli station. Almost it will be flooded due to a small rain. Goods train pilot and container train. Okay, I am stopping my video here. This is the last stop, so I am stopping my video and I am at the platform number 1 of Lingampalli.
This is Lingampalli. This is the last station of this route. Passengers are requested to kindly depart the train.
You can find many trains towards Mumbai or AP, Andhra Pradesh from Lingampalli station. After Chellapalli station is constructed, you can see more trains at Lingampalli. They will remove the Secunderabad trains and they will divert it to Lingampalli only. So you can see the platform also. 1, 2, 3 stop.
లింగంపల్లి స్టేషన్ చేరుకుంది. ఇదే ఈ రూట్లోని చివరి.
Lingampalli railway station area, approach road to the bus stop. Railway quarters, Lingampalli area. There you can see the station gate.